Hello, kids. Today, we are going to practice your reading comprehension. Are you ready? Let's begin. Today, we will read about a book. A book has pages. Books can be big or small. Now your turns to read. We read books to learn new things. Some books have pictures. Now your turns to read. We turn the pages to read. Books can have stories or facts. Now your turns to read. You can borrow books from a library. Books make reading fun. Now your turns to read. Now give the correct answers of the following questions. What does a book have? A pages. B wheels. C buttons. Answer. A book has pages. Why do we read books? A. To learn new things. B. To watch TV. C. To play games. Answer. We read books to learn new things. Where can you borrow books? A. From a library. B. From a park. C. From a shop. Answer. You can borrow books from a library. What can some books have? A. Pictures. B. Music. C. Lights. Answer. Some books have pictures. Good job, kids. See you in the next lesson. Subscribe to our channel to keep your learning adventure with us.